Bonjour, mes amis. Welcome back, where we explore the fascinating world of cuisine. Today, we're diving into the delicious realm of French food and uncovering some of the most unknown facts about a classic dish, Pain Perdu. So, grab your berets and let's get started. Pain Perdu, also known as French toast, is a beloved breakfast treat enjoyed by people around the world. But did you know that there's more to this dish than meets the eye? Let's uncover some intriguing facts. The origins of Pain Perdu. Many believe that French toast originated in France, but its roots are actually much older. The dish can be traced back to ancient civilizations like the Romans, who enjoyed soaking bread in a mixture of milk and eggs before frying it. In France, it was called Pain Perdu, which literally means lost bread, because it gave new life to stale bread. The ingredients matter. While the basic ingredients of Pain Perdu are bread, eggs, and milk, the secret to its uniqueness lies in the choice of bread. Traditional French Pain Perdu is made using brioche, a rich and buttery bread that adds a luxurious flavor and texture. The flavorful twist. To add an extra layer of flavor, the French often incorporate a touch of vanilla extract into their Pain Perdu mixture. This subtle addition elevates the taste to a whole new level. The regional variations. Just like the diverse culture of France, Pain Perdu comes in various regional variations. In the south of France, they enjoy it with a drizzle of lavender honey, while in the north, it's often served with powdered sugar and a side of fruit compote. Unexpected pairings. While you might think of Pain Perdu as a sweet dish, it's not uncommon to see savory versions in France. In some upscale restaurants, you can find Pain Perdu topped with foie gras or served as an accompaniment to a delicious main course. The French Revolution connection. Pain Perdu played a role in the French Revolution. The dish was a symbol of the French people's resourcefulness, as they made the most of their limited ingredients during difficult times. So, it's not just a tasty treat, it's a piece of French history. Bread of the poor. In the past, Pain Perdu was often called the bread of the poor. It was a clever way to repurpose stale or leftover bread, ensuring that nothing went to waste. Today, it's a delicious indulgence, but its humble beginnings tell a tale of resourcefulness. Baguette transformation. While traditional brioche is the preferred bread for Pain Perdu, some regions in France use baguettes. The baguette's crisp crust and soft interior make for a delightful twist on this classic dish. A literary treat. Pain Perdu has made its way into French literature. It's mentioned in Marcel Proust's famous novel, In Search of Lost Time, à la recherche du temps perdu, as the Madeleine moment, where a bite of Pain Perdu-like pastry triggers a flood of childhood memories. Modern twists. The world of culinary creativity knows no bounds, and chefs today continue to reinvent Pain Perdu. You can find it topped with everything from Nutella and bananas to ice cream and caramel sauce. It's proof that this dish can adapt to changing tastes and trends. Celebrated around the world. While it's deeply rooted in French culture, Pain Perdu has transcended borders and become a beloved dish worldwide. Different countries have their variations, from Arme Ritter in Germany to eggy bread in the UK. Served on special occasions. In France, Pain Perdu isn't just for everyday breakfast. It's often reserved for special occasions like Christmas and Easter. It's a delightful way to celebrate and share the joy of food with loved ones. Historic recipes. Pain Perdu recipes can be found in French cookbooks dating back centuries. These old recipes provide us with a glimpse into the evolution of this beloved dish, showing how it transformed from a frugal meal to a gourmet delight. It's a versatile dish. While Pain Perdu is most commonly enjoyed for breakfast or brunch, it's so versatile that it can be served at any time of day. Some people even indulge in it as a dessert after a savory meal. French etymology. The name, Pain Perdu, reflects its history as a way to use lost, or stale, bread. In contrast, the name, French toast, is believed to have been coined in 17th century England when the dish was introduced there. Health benefits. While Pain Perdu might seem indulgent, it can be a nutritious option. The eggs provide protein, and when you top it with fresh fruit like berries, you add vitamins and antioxidants to your meal. Café tradition. In many French cafes, you'll find Pain Perdu on the menu as a classic breakfast offering. It pairs perfectly with a hot cup of coffee, making it a staple of French morning rituals. Sweet and savory balance. French cuisine is known for its balance of flavors, and Pain Perdu is no exception. The combination of sweet and savory toppings, like maple syrup and crispy bacon, creates a harmonious taste experience. A street food favorite. In France, you can often find Pain Perdu served as a delightful street food. Street vendors and food trucks offer it in various flavors, making it a convenient and tasty snack. Creme fraiche connection. In some regions of France, Pain Perdu is served with a dollop of creme fraiche instead of traditional toppings. This adds a creamy richness that pairs perfectly with the eggy bread. And there you have it, captivating facts about Pain Perdu, the classic French toast that has captivated taste buds around the world. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, for breakfast or dessert, Pain Perdu is a timeless culinary treasure. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to enjoy every last crumb of this delicious dish. If you've enjoyed learning about Pain Perdu, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more mouth-watering adventures in the world of food. À la vôtre, and until next time, au revoir.